Good morning, students. Welcome back to the St. Mary's School, Lagina. Myself, Priya, and I hope you all are fine. Students, today I will teach you Maths of Class 1, page number 7, 8, and 9. And I hope you have completed your homework taught in the last video. Now, before teaching new topics, first I will give you revision test. So this is your question paper and you have to complete all questions in the presence of your parents, and answer key will be provided to you in the next video. And you have to attempt all questions in a good handwriting. You have to write first here date, subject, revision test on the top. This is of 20 marks. First question is write the missing numbers, carry 4 marks. Second, count backward and fill in, carry 6 marks. Third, write the number names, means you have to write here spellings of these numbers, carry 4 marks. Question 4, what comes before and after, carry 3 marks. Fifth one, forward counting from 31 to 50 you have to write here, carry 3 marks. Now come to page number 7, number patterns. Number patterns are the list of numbers which follows sequence. And students, you will learn about alternate numbers. Alternate numbers are the numbers in which all digits alternate between even and odd. Even numbers are those which are divisible by 2 and no remainder left. And these are your even numbers. You can see here in this list in red circles: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. You have to write multiple of 2. Now odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2. Here you can see in green circles odd numbers are given. These are alternate numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Now question number 1, fill in the blanks. A part, 1, 3 and 5 are written here. These are odd series now. Now right after 5 you have to leave here 6, write here 7 in the space given. Now write 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17 is already given. Now come to B part. 2, 4, 6 are written now and these are even numbers. Continue this pattern. After 6 you write here 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now C part, 16, 18 and 20 are written. These are also even numbers. Continue this pattern. After 20 write here 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Now come to question number 2, fill in the blanks. Listen students, these are same like first question. You have to complete in copies nicely in a good handwriting. To page number 8. It is about before, after and between. Here students, first question is write what comes before and after. In A part, 8 is given, write before 8, 7 and after 8, write 9. In B part, before 17, write here 16 and after 17, write 18. In C part, what comes before 29, write here 28. What comes after 29, write here 30. In D part, What comes before 41? Write here 40. And what comes after 41? Write here 42. Like these, you have to complete in homework. Now question number 2. Write the number between. Here two numbers are given. In between you have to write the number. A part 5 and 7 are given. Write in between 6. Now B part, what comes in between 10 and 12? Write here 11. Now C part, what comes between 19 and 21? Write here 20. Now D part, what comes in between 25 and 27? Write here 26. These all part you do in homework. Now question number 3. A part, the number before 11 is, write here 10. B part, the number after 19, guess what here will come? Write here 30. Sorry, 20. Now C part, the number before 30 is 29. Now in D part, the number after dash is 48. Now guess what will come here? Write here 47. Now E part, 45 is between dash and 46. Which number will come? Write here 44. F part, 29 is between 28 and dash. Which number will come? Write here 30. Now G part, dash is between 9 and 11. In between 9 and 11, write here 10. Now H part, dash is between 30 and 32. Write here 31. Students, these all parts you have to complete in homework in your copies. Now come to page number 9, comparing numbers. Students, I will teach you here about how to compare two numbers by putting these sign greater than, smaller than and equal to. The most important thing is that students listen carefully. Opening mouth is always facing towards the greater number and pointed end of the sign always towards the smaller number. Third one is equal to sign. Where two numbers are same, you have to put equal to sign there. Now come to question number 1. A part, 9 space 6 is given. Which number is greater? 9 na, then put greater than sign. Now B part, 7 space 8 is given. 7 is lesser than 8, then put here smaller than sign. Here you can see pointed end of the sign is given towards 7 and opening mouth of the sign towards 8. Here which number is greater? 8 na, then put sign here. Now C part, 11 is lesser than 12, then put smaller than sign. D, 4 is lesser than 14, then put smaller than sign. And in E, both numbers are equal, then put equal to sign. Here listen carefully. Full part you have to complete in homework. Thank you very much. Keep learning and stay safe at home.